I am at my local layline junction. Layline. And it's very calm here. It's about 3/4 of a mile from my house. And this is a layline junction apparently. And I can feel it. I can feel it. You know? It's calm here. I'm underneath a tree. Underneath a tree. Sitting underneath it on this natural mound. And I'm listening to the birds. Some wildflowers here. I don't know if you can see the wildflowers. And and the birds are here. Oh, hello. Female blackbird. Yeah. It's all here, right? Aye. Can you hear the birds? Yeah, so there you are. It's lovely here. Very calm. Layline Junction. Crow. Rat, 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 rat. No, nothing back. Yeah, there we are then. And it's a lovely day. I've been to woods. I've been walking about, etc. Ta-ra.